By the age of 60, nearly 3 out of every 4 seniors begin to notice changes in their legs, swelling around the ankles, stiffness in the joints, or a tingling sensation that makes walking more difficult. These are not just natural signs of aging. They are clear warnings that the body is losing one of its most important structural proteins, collagen. Collagen is what keeps your joints flexible, your blood vessels strong, and your skin firm. Yet by the time we reach 60, the body produces more than 70% less collagen than it did in youth. This decline weakens tissues, slows circulation, and makes recovery harder. The good news is that certain natural foods can help restore collagen activity, reduce swelling, and strengthen joints. Today, I'm going to share 8 of the most effective collagen-rich foods you can add to your diet. My name is Dr. Richard Coleman, and for more than 30 years I have worked in geriatric healthcare, helping seniors regain mobility, stability, and confidence. What I'm about to share may completely change the way you think about food, aging, and joint health. 1. Egg yolks. One of the first foods I want to talk about is something many of you may have been told to avoid for decades: egg yolks. For years, egg yolks were given a bad reputation because of their cholesterol content. Many seniors grew up hearing that eating eggs would clog their arteries or damage their hearts. But modern nutrition research has shown a very different picture. Egg yolks are not the villains we once thought. In fact, they are one of the richest natural sources of nutrients that support collagen production. The 2 amino acids that make them particularly valuable are glycine and proline. Glycine is essential for building the structure of collagen fibers, the very framework that supports skin, tendons, and ligaments. Without enough glycine, collagen production slows, leading to sagging skin and stiff joints. Proline, on the other hand, helps stabilize those fibers and strengthen the connective tissues that hold the body together. Whole eggs also provide vitamin B12, choline, and small amounts of vitamin D, all of which are involved in nerve function and tissue repair. The way you prepare eggs matters. Soft boiling or poaching preserves the delicate amino acids better than high-heat frying. Pairing eggs with vitamin C-rich foods like spinach or tomatoes enhances the body's ability to convert proline into hydroxyproline, a compound that strengthens collagen fibers. That's why I often recommend a simple breakfast of 2 eggs with a side of sautéed vegetables. 2. Papaya. Now, let's turn to a fruit that many seniors enjoy but don't fully realize the power of: papaya. This bright, sweet fruit is more than just a refreshing snack. Papaya contains a natural enzyme called papain, which helps break down protein into smaller units that are easier for the body to absorb. This is especially important as we age because digestion naturally becomes less efficient. Papaya also contains high levels of vitamin C, which is absolutely critical for collagen production. Without adequate vitamin C, collagen cannot form properly, no matter how much protein you consume. By improving the digestion and absorption of amino acids, and by delivering vitamin C directly, papaya gives the body the raw materials it needs to restore collagen. I often suggest eating papaya first thing in the morning, on an empty stomach, when its enzymes can be most effective. Over the years, I've seen seniors who added papaya into their routine report not just improved skin texture, but also less discomfort in their legs and a reduction in that heavy, swollen feeling at the end of the day. 3. Chicken skin. Another food that surprises many people is chicken skin. Most of us grew up thinking of chicken skin as something to peel off and throw away, assuming it was just unhealthy fat. In fact, chicken skin is one of the most concentrated natural sources of type I collagen, the type that gives strength to skin, tendons, bones, and ligaments. The key is preparation. Deep frying creates harmful byproducts that actually break down collagen and contribute to inflammation. Instead, baking or roasting chicken at moderate temperatures allows the skin to release its natural gelatin while keeping the collagen intact. For those who don't enjoy eating the skin directly, simmering skin-on chicken parts to make broth is another effective way to extract collagen. Many seniors who added homemade chicken broth into their weekly meals reported better joint mobility, less swelling in their ankles, and a more stable gait when walking. 4. Sardines. When seniors ask me about collagen, they often expect to hear about supplements, not something as humble as sardines. Yet sardines may be one of the most overlooked foods for joint health, circulation, and mobility. These small fish are consumed whole, with the skin, bones, and connective tissue intact, making them unique among protein sources. Sardines provide both type I and type 3 collagen. Type 1 supports skin and joints, while type 3 is essential for blood vessels. This is important because weakened blood vessels often lead to swelling and tingling in the legs. Sardines also provide calcium, phosphorus, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acids, all of which support circulation and reduce inflammation. I recommend sardines packed in olive oil rather than seed oils. A simple meal of sardines on whole grain toast with lemon juice is both nutritious and highly supportive of collagen production. 5. Bone marrow. Another food worth mentioning is bone marrow. Found inside the long bones of animals, marrow is a gelatinous tissue loaded with collagen precursors, type 1 and 2 collagen, and hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid attracts and holds water, lubricating both joints and skin. Preparing marrow properly is important. Roasting bones slowly allows the rich interior to soften without damaging the collagen. Another approach is to simmer bones in water with a splash of apple cider vinegar for 12 to 24 hours, creating a collagen-rich bone broth. Many seniors who consistently consume marrow or bone broth report greater flexibility, less swelling, and improved skin hydration. 6. Gelatin. Now let's turn to gelatin. Pure, unflavored gelatin is essentially cooked collagen, already broken down into peptides that are easy to absorb. This makes it especially valuable for seniors who may have weaker digestion. When consumed regularly, gelatin helps reduce stiffness, hydrate skin, and improve muscle tone. Practical ways to use it include stirring it into tea or coffee, or making simple fruit gels with fresh berries. Avoid commercial gelatin desserts with dyes and sweeteners. Stick with pure, natural sources. 7. Liver. One of the most nutrient-dense foods for collagen support is liver. Though it has a strong flavor, it is packed with vitamin A, copper, zinc, iron, and glycine, nutrients essential for collagen synthesis and circulation. Even a small portion once a week can help strengthen joints, improve skin, and reduce swelling. For those who dislike the taste, blending cooked liver into soups or stews, or preparing a small pâté with lemon, makes it more approachable. 8. Bone broth. Finally, bone broth is one of the most effective ways to deliver collagen in its most bioavailable form. True bone broth, simmered for 18 to 24 hours, extracts collagen, gelatin, glucosamine, chondroitin, and hyaluronic acid from bones and connective tissues. Seniors who drink bone broth daily often report reduced joint pain, fewer cramps, improved skin firmness, and even better balance. The sign of a good broth is that it turns gelatinous in the refrigerator, a clear indicator of collagen content. Bone broth can be sipped warm in the morning, used as a soup base, or poured over grains and vegetables. Closing thoughts. If you are a senior experiencing tingling, swelling, or weakness in your legs, do not dismiss these symptoms as just old age. They are signals from your body that it is lacking something essential. By bringing these collagen-rich foods into your daily or weekly routine, you are giving your body the chance to rebuild from the inside out. Food is more than fuel. At your age, it is medicine. Every bite you take can either erode your strength or rebuild it. Collagen is not about vanity or cosmetics, it is about mobility, independence, and freedom. I have seen seniors in their 70s and 80s restore mobility they thought was gone forever simply by nourishing their bodies with the right foods and habits. So I ask you, which of these collagen-rich foods have you tried before? Have you noticed changes in your legs or joints when including them? Share your experiences in the comments below, your story may inspire someone else. And if you found this discussion helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future health insights. Remember, your body has an incredible ability to repair and strengthen itself at any age, when you give it the right tools. Thank you for spending this time with me. Stay active, stay nourished, and keep moving forward with confidence.